Hello, everyone. In this video, you will learn the two sounds for the letter I. Okay. So you see here, I is with different consonants. So there's two ways to read I. You can read I as I, like inside, or you can read I, like ice cream. Okay. So I, I, I. So the way to read this here, B I, is bi, by, bi, by, bi, by. Again, that's bi, by, bi, by. To read Gi is gi, guy, gi, guy, gi, guy. Ki, kai, ki, kai, ki, kai. Ni, nai, ni, nai, ni, nai. Si, sai, si, sai, si, sai. Wi, why, wi, why, wi, why. Di, die, di, die, di, die. Hi, high, hi, high, hi, high. Li, lie, li, lie, li, lie. Pi, pie, pi, pie, pi, pie. Ti, tie, ti, tie, ti, tie. Ye, yai, ye, yai, ye, yai. Fi, 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 fi. J, jai, j, jai, j, jai. Mi, my, mi, my, mi, my. Ri, 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 ri. Vi, 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 vi. Z, zai, z, zai, z, zai. All right. I'll see you in the next video.